Finally, a router base plate that's truly universal. The OmniBase plate by Milescraft was designed to fit nearly every router, no matter the size, make and model, or year of production. The secret to the universal fit of the OmniBase is the patented adjustable mounting wings. They move into position to perfectly match any base plate layout pattern found on different brands. Combined with the 2 fixed mounting wings, the OmniBase can be secured in at least 3 points of contact with nearly every router on the market. The 7-inch wide base provides more stability for small trim routers and large models. This simple design eliminates complicated and confusing hole patterns in mounting maps. Even better, no drilling required. The OmniBase is also backwards compatible with generations of Milescraft TurnLock system router jigs. Just drop your router in, and with a turn and a snap, you're ready to route circles, cut dados, or put a finished edge on your project. The OmniBase is also a great option for cutting slots for mortise and tenon joinery. 2 included self-centering mortise pins can be attached in 2 different positions for narrower or wider boards. A simple twist perfectly aligns your router bit to the center. To make sure your OmniBase is centered on the router, we've also included a centering pin that fits into both 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch collets. Whether your router is big or small, the OmniBase will fit them all. Milescraft, always the better idea.